Okay, here we have an unboxing of a full face downhill mountain bike helmet. It's actually an enduro mountain bike helmet. This is the Phoenix Plus. It's made by Lazer. So yeah, since 1919. Let's open the box and see what we get. Don't believe the spanner should be in there. That's obviously something to do with one of my mates. Anyway, here we have the helmet. It comes in its own protective bag. I've not actually opened this yet. That's kind of crazy. It's difficult to do one-handed. Okay, so it's in a sort of, it's got red on it, it's got blue on it, and it's got white on it. As you can see, this is the Lazer Phoenix helmet. Let's have a look what's inside, because it's instruction manual and all that legal gubbins. Oh, why do they always use these little things? It's really annoying. I hate them little, I don't know what you call them, but they're really annoying. So it's a buckle up system that way. It goes under and over sort of thing, but that's fine. You get used to that very quickly, and it's very solid, so it's not going to fall off, which is like the main thing. There's a lot of padding in here, so it's nice and comfortable. I have got another one of these. It's in a different colour, but it's a bit battered, and I wasn't really on a downhill course as such, but I was doing something shifting quite a high speed on one of my other bikes, and slammed into a tree. So yeah, that's why I've replaced it, because as soon as you have a crash with a helmet, you should replace it. That's just the way it is. But I also broke the peak off it, so you know. Anyway, so here's the peak itself. These are replaceable, but I had crashed the other one, so hey ho. It's 4 Phillips style screws on here to hold it in place. It's like a soft touch feel to the outside. It's kind of irrelevant, but yeah, it's a thing. It feels really makes it feel more premium, and it's just a nicer feeling thing altogether. I'm just going to get rid of this plastic thing. It's kind of annoying. See it there. Yeah, it's got this sort of soft touch sort of feel you get on some laptops. Yeah, that's laser emblem there. It's got a filter to breathe through, which they all pretty much have. And as I say, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. Air vents here, so you don't sweat too much. And yeah, overall, a pretty good helmet. These are around £50. So yeah, pretty sweet. That concludes this video.